Y'all, I'm passionate about this because I know how it feels. I know how it feels to sit back and watch everybody do it, and you're scared. You don't know where to start. You don't know how to start. You're doubting yourself. You think you don't have the skills. You think that you're too old, you're too that, you're not pretty enough, your hair is not long enough, you don't know how to do your makeup. And what I'm telling you is get in the game. I want you to know what it feels like to log into a dashboard and see money waiting for you. What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Stacy Liz, with Baggage at the Door. Come in, come in, come in, come in, come in, come in, come in. We have some stuff to talk about. On your way in, press the subscribe button, press the like button. Come on inside, guys. I have to tell you guys about something absolutely amazing that I just found out. One of my side hustles just hit a monumental mark. I had my first $1,000 month. Did you know that studies show that 40 to 45% of Americans have at least one side hustle? That's almost half. My question to you is, are you a part of that number? Are you a part of that number that knows that it's not an option to have multiple streams of incomes, but now it is a necessity? I want you guys to experience what I experienced. A year and a half ago, I was on my couch watching YouTube videos day and night, researching, studying, replaying, taking notes. It was to the point where I didn't even want to sleep. All I wanted to do was learn how to make passive income. And I saw all these people be successful. And then something clicked. I had to move from watching to doing. Some of y'all have been watching videos and taking notes like me, but you haven't put yourself in the game. The moment I decided to shift from watching the videos and taking the notes to actually taking action was the moment my life changed. I got off the couch, turned off the YouTube videos, and applied what I learned. And yes, it was scary. Yes, it was unknown. Yes, some people laughed at me because they didn't think that I could do it. Yes, I was afraid to broadcast it on Facebook because I didn't want to share it just in case I failed. Yes, I had a lot of questions. Yes, I was unsure, but I did it anyway. I posted my first listing on Etsy, and I posted it afraid. I posted it unsure. When I posted my first listing, I didn't worry about the competition because the competition is always going to be there. But the real competition is with you, it's with yourself. Because really and truly, you are the one that's holding you back. I said it before, you are your biggest hater sometimes. You don't even need other people to hate on you because you're hating on yourself. You're counting yourself out. You're standing on the sidelines, afraid to get in the game. You're worried about the competition. You're saying that, oh, there's already thousands of people doing that, but they're not doing it like you. So I posted my little listing anyway. And 2 days later, I hear this sound on my phone that I never heard before. Ding! I didn't even know what it was. I picked up my phone and I got my first notification that someone had bought my listing on Etsy. And you guys, that feeling made me so excited. It wasn't even worth a lot of money. I think the first one was worth $3, but that doesn't matter. What mattered is I finally saw it come to fruition. Something that I had watched other people do over and over, Now I had made my first sale. Etsy even made one of my products a bestseller. So I got the bestseller badge. Y'all think about that. I went from sitting on the couch watching hours and hours of everyone else doing it and saying, man, I don't know how to do that. I'm not good enough. I'm not a graphic designer. I'm not this. I don't know how to post. I don't know anything about SEO. Woe is me. Sitting on my couch watching everyone do it. I went from that to having a star seller badge for one of my products. It means that my product was standing out, that my product had perfect reviews, and that it was so popular that it was trending and worthy enough for Etsy to give me a badge. Y'all, you can't get badges from the couch. You can't get monetized from your couch. Y'all, I'm passionate about this because I know how it feels. I know how it feels to sit back and watch everybody do it, and you're scared. You don't know where to start. You don't know how to start. You're doubting yourself. You think you don't have the skills. You think that you're too old. You're too that. You're not pretty enough. Your hair is not long enough. You don't know how to do your makeup. And what I'm telling you is get in the game. I want you to know what it feels like to log into a dashboard and see money waiting for you. I want you to know what it feels like to wake up and you pick up your phone and right under that Bible verse is an alert that somebody has brought your product. I want you to know what that feels like. I promise you, once you know what that feels like, you will get addicted. You will want more and more and more. And you'll be able to push the limits off of yourself. Y'all, we're so good at limiting ourselves. Who says you can't be a YouTuber? Who said it? Who told you that? Who put you in that box? Whoever put you in that box, bump them. And if you put yourself in the box, honey, bump you too. Sometimes we have to check ourselves. Take the limits off. There are no limits. I'm really trying not to preach, but as you can see, I'm passionate about this, you guys, because I know what it feels like. I do not want you to count yourself out. I know that I will be monetized on YouTube without any doubt. I know that it's going to happen. Why? Because I've already made up my mind. You guys, once I got my first $1,000 month on Etsy, I realized that, baby, there is nothing stopping me. There's nothing, not even my old ways of thinking. And so I'm on a mission to encourage you to do the same. Once you feel the success of passive income, once you know what it's like to literally make money in your sleep, you want more. And not only do you want more, you know that you can do it, which is even more important because your confidence goes through the roof. Now there's a new pattern, new level unlocked, new level unlocked in your brain that says you can do it. You did it before on that platform. Now it's time to add another platform. And that's exactly what I'm doing. I will be monetized on YouTube. There's no other option. It's already clicked in my mind. I already see it. I already see my YouTube dashboard that says, congratulations, you are now a YouTube partner. I already see my bank account where the deposits from Google are in my account. I already see my subscriber count at 1,000 plus and counting. I already see my videos going up, 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 up. Just like I saw that badge next to my Etsy product that was leading in its category, I already see it for YouTube. And I want you to see it too. I want you to visualize all the comments. I want you to scroll. Y'all think I'm playing, but I'm not playing. I'm serious because it starts in the mind. Once you make up your mind, it's a wrap. There's nothing that can hold you back. I want you to visualize under your video the comments, and I want you to scroll. Keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling. That is your video. that is getting all of the comments. It's your video. I want you to visualize logging into your dashboard and seeing all of your monthly payments that are coming to your bank account, all of the passive income because of your hard work, because of your dedication, but most importantly, because you made up your mind that you decided that you were no longer going to stand on the sidelines, that you were going to get in the game. You deserve to be here. I want you to have a video on YouTube that you can come back to and watch to say, man, I believed in myself then, and I'm so glad I did. Because, baby, look at me now. Look at me now. Every once in a while, I go back to my first listing on Etsy and I say, I'm so glad you posted that. I'm so glad you didn't worry about perfection. I'm so glad you didn't care that there were 300 other products that were similar. I'm so glad that you knew how to put your own spin on it to make it special, because you are special. But I want you to do it for you. I want you to prove to yourself that you can show up. I want you to know what it feels like to unlock a new level. What would you do with an extra $1,000 per month? Times have changed. We can no longer put all of our eggs in one basket. We've seen time and time and time again how people are getting laid off and they don't know what to do because they've been loyal to that company and they've been showing up year after year, sometimes even decade after decade. And that company, just like that, cut them off. You guys, side hustles are no longer an option. It is a necessity. Okay. And I don't want any of us to be left behind. In fact, I want us to get all of the coins that are on the table. Honey, what are you doing? What are you doing? I'm not going to let you be left behind. I know that you can right now think of at least 5 people who have been laid off. We cannot put all of our eggs in one basket, you guys. We got to spread it out. We have to spread it out. So I'm making this video to tell you the urgency in it, because I don't think you get it. Because if you already had it, you would have already started your YouTube channel. Yes, yes. You would have already picked up your camera and started to press record, because why not? If the coins are there, why leave them on the table? What would you do with an extra $1,000 per month? What would you do with an extra $500 per month? Even $300 would be enough to at least take care of 1 or 2 of your bills. Why are we leaving money on the table? Stop it. Stop doing that. Have y'all seen the price of eggs? I don't even have to go into it. Y'all know what the prices in the grocery store look like. Salmon is like a luxury. It's really a luxury these days because prices are just that high. So if our expenses are getting higher and higher, what are you doing to be able to supplement that? I'll wait. You guys, we have to get with it. How are you making your situation better financially? Because booking a vacation to de-stress once a year, it's not doing it, because when you come back from that island, those student loans are still there. Okay? Booking a vacation is not going to do it. But what will help you do it is creating another stream of income like YouTube. And now is the perfect time for you to start your YouTube channel. Why? Because YouTube is highlighting smaller channels. YouTube wants to hear your journey. YouTube wants to see what's happening with regular, everyday people. So much so that it is the hottest thing. It is what is being pushed. Smaller channels are being promoted, going to the top of the search and not the bottom. Document something that you're already doing. If you're already doing DoorDash, we want to see it. If you have a drop shipping business, we want to see it. Document it. You're leaving coins on the table. Pick up the camera and press record. There's somebody out there who wants to know how to do the things that you're doing. I just want you in the game because there's so many people watching from the sidelines, and they don't get that they could be in the game getting a coin too. My wish for you is that you wake up and get off of the sidelines. What are you waiting for? If you know someone who has always said they wanted to do YouTube but has never done it, or has started a channel and stopped posting, I want you to send them this video. Send it to your friends, send it to your family members. Why? Because we all need a push sometimes. We all need to be reminded that we matter, that we're enough, and that we can do it. And now there's a whole community that's on YouTube that is cheering you along, that's pushing you. I'm pushing you. Let me be your motivation if you don't have any left, because I have enough motivation for all of us right now. Because, like I said, it's going to happen. Mark my words. And it's not this magical fairy dust that's going to sprinkle and all of a sudden I'll be monetized or you'll be monetized. It's in the mind. I've decided it, so it's going to happen. And it's going to happen for you too if you show up. So will you show up? Will you show up? If you decided that you're finally going to show up for yourself, I want you to put some locks in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.